Shake it out. Okay, welcome back to Ball and Feed. We're doing another merengue combo for you. We're gonna do the first 3 patterns. The basic does include 4 different directions technically, so, you know, we'll add a bonus there. But we're gonna walk through the combo for you and we'll demo it with music at the end.
All right, so we're gonna go sign basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic in place, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do a forward and back basic, so I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna rotate to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then separation to arm slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one example of how you can put them in order, but as you can see, we just kind of go back and show you different transitions. Any number in any direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't know, we do have a website at ballandfeed.com. We have all of these steps broken down step by step, combinations, and many more than we do on our YouTube channel. So if you don't have enough merengue, head over there. We also teach many other things, but check it out for yourselves and see what you think. And subscribe and like this video here, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.